Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the video lecture for week 8, task 1. And in this lesson I will describe about the nerves and neurons. Nerve cell, a neuron is the unit of nervous system. The human nervous system consists of billions of neurons plus supporting neuroglial cells. Neurons are specialized cells that are able to conduct nerve impulses from receptors to the coordinators and from coordinators to the effectors. In this way, they communicate with each other and with other types of body cells. A nerve impulse is a wave of electrochemical changes that travels along the length of the neuron. And unlike ordinary cells, mature neurons never divide, but a protein that is called nerve growth factor promotes the regeneration of broken nerve cells. The degenerating brain cells could be repaired by using embryonic stem cells. So now I will discuss the structure of a neuron. So here are dendrite, nucleus, axon, cell body, myelin sheath, node of Ranvier, Schwann cell. The nucleus and most of the cytoplasm of a neuron is located in its cell body. Different processes extend out from the cell body. These are called dendrites and axons. Dendrites conduct impulses toward cell body and axons conduct impulses away from the cell body. And Schwann cells are special neuroglial cells located at regular intervals along axons. In some neurons, Schwann cells secrete a fatty layer called myelin sheath over axons. Between the areas of myelin on an axon, there are non-myelinated points called the nodes of Ranvier. So here you can watch the gaps that are nodes of Ranvier. The myelin sheath does not conduct nerve impulse. In such a neuron, impulses jump over the areas of myelin going from node to node. Such impulses are called saltatory, that means jumping impulses. So saltatory are the jumping impulses. This increases the speed of a nerve impulse. So now I will discuss the types of neurons. These are motor neurons, sensory neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons conduct sensory information that are nerve impulses from receptors toward the CNS. CNS is the abbreviation of central nervous system. Sensory neurons have only one dendrite and one axon. A neuron that carries motor impulses from the central nervous system to the specific effectors is known as motor neuron. And interneurons process information from sensory neurons and then send commands to motor neurons. And now I will discuss about a nerve. A nerve means the union of several axons that are enveloped by covering lipid. Based on the property of axons, the nerves are classified into three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves contain the axons of sensory neurons only. Motor nerves contain the axons of motor neurons only, and mixed nerves contain the axons of both sensory and motor neurons. In certain parts of the body, bodies of many neurons are grouped together and enveloped by a mass. This is called ganglion. So now it's time to discuss the home tasks for the day 1, that are reading and memorizing the concepts from textbook pages 32 to 37. Write about the component of coordinated actions in your own words. Draw a structure of a neuron and write the functions of sensory neuron, motor neuron, and interneurons. I hope this lecture was a good source of information about the components of coordinated actions. neurons, sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Thank you and have a nice day.